Special list of words, part 6. First word is inevitable. N V T and able. Inevitable. There is no more derivatives word for this word, so we move further. Next word is value. So V L and U, value. Clear? Next V L D, valued. V L able. So this is valuable. Next N V L B L, invaluable. V L and downward R, valuer. ठीक है, this is valuer. Next avail. So V downward L and vowel, avail. Again V downward L and BL. This is available. V downward L and ing. So availing. Next is unavailing. Unavailing. Convulse. V downward L S and for con we use the prefix. This is convulse. V L S T का loop. So this is called convulsed. Next V L with shun hook, convulsion. V L S and ing. So this is convulsing. Next V L S and V L, convulsively. ठीक है, this is called convulsively. Next is evolution. V L and shun, evolution. Next word is evolutionist. So V L N and half length of S, evolutionist. Next is evolutionary. Then V L shun, evolutionary. ठीक है. Next is violent. So V half length of N with N hook, violent. Next Voluntarily, so V L with N hook and L. Voluntarily. Violence, V L N S. Violence. Converse. Again con, so we use the prefix, then VRS. Converse. Then VR and SD, so this is conversed. Next, VR S and shun hook, this is called conversation. Next हम लिखेंगे conversational, so सेम आउटलाइन बनेगी, conversation and downward L. Conversational. Next is conversationalist, so same VR S shun hook, downward L and cyst SD. So this is conversationalist. Support, S P and RT in half length. Next is S P R and half length of T. Supported. Supporting, supporting. Supporter, S P and double length of R. Supporter. Next हम लिखेंगे supportable, so S P R and able. Supportable. Next, in support able, but just because ये लाइन नीचे जा रही है, ठीक है, कट हो रही है, तो we place the second form of vowel here. So this is insupportable. Separate, S P and T. Separate. So S P half length of T. Separated. Next, S P with shun hook. Separation. Separable. Next, inseparable. Situate, S T and T. Situate. Next, S T U and ted. Situated. ठीक है, ट्राइफॉन है. Situated. Situate and half length of T. Situate. डिप्थोंग के साथ एक और वोवेल का साउंड आ रहा है, तो situated. Next is S T in half length, SH and N. This is situation. Next is station, S T and shun, station. Stationed, so S T and shun, stationed. Next, stationing, so S T N and ing, stationing. Stationer, S T shun and r, stationer. Structure, S T and double length of K, structure. Next is structural, so same outline, S T structure and L, structural. Consider, prefix, so first we write the consider, so S and dr, SDR, this is consider. Next is considered, then we make the outline in half length, this is consider. Next is consideration, so consideration. Next is considerable, considerable, considerable. Inconsiderable, so first in and disjoin करके considerable, so considerable. Next word is considerate, so C D and upward RT, considerate. Inconsiderate, inconsiderate, ठीक है. Secret, S and K in half length. Next word is secretly, so SK, sick in half length, and L, secretly. Secrecy, so we make the outline like SK and S, secrecy. Secretary, SK and upward R, secretary. Next, SK, upward R and downward L, so this is secretarial. Next, SK, secretary and secretary ship, ठीक है, SH, secretary ship. Next, secretariat, SK T and half length of RT, secretariat. Secret, SK, secret, ठीक है. Sacred and secret, for both the outline is same. Next is SK and shun, so this is secretion. secretive. Secretive. Next word is sacred. S-K-and-D. Sacred. Next, S-K-D-L. Sacredly. S-K-D-N-S. This is sacredness. Consist. For con we use the prefix, so st, s and s in half length. Consist. Next is consistence. Consistence. Consist and N and C. This is consistency. Then consist and tent. Consistent and in half length. Next word is in. Consistent. Next, in. Consist, then N and C. Inconsistency. Short. Short, and this is shorter, double length. Next word, short and st. Shortest. Shorten. Shorten. And next word is short hand. Shorthand. Short handed. Short-handed. Emigrate. M and GR in half length. Emigrate. Next is M, GR and T in half length. Emigrated. Emigration. Emigration. And last, grant. Emigrant. GR in half length. GR and N. Emigrant. Clear? So here we completed the 6th list of special list of words.